On this episode, we are going to be sanding the wood planks for the bed. So this is walnut. This was part of the kit that we bought from Marquet. And so the one we're using is got the hidden hardware. So they relief out the bottoms. And this is where the bolts go through that mount to the metal crossbars. These are the holes that go in the side of the bed rail where it bolts down through. And these are stainless, so they look nice. And then the strips of metal go on top and the hardware's hidden underneath, so you can't see anything. So they cut the boards at the factory and ship them with the kit. So you have to drill your own holes here, but that's not too hard. And then you're responsible for finishing. So this is before, and this is after. So this is the raw wood out of the box, and then this one's been sanded with 120, 220, and 320, and it's nice and smooth. And it'll be ready for the clear coat, but we're going to do it all at one time. So today we're going to be sanding. You could do this by hand, but it helps if you have machines. So this is a big flat sander. This is 120 grit sandpaper, and then after that we'll switch to the orbital with the 220, and then we'll switch to the orbital with the 320. And then when we're done with that, we'll come back by hand with the 320 and scrape it along the grain to smooth it out. And I don't know how long this is all going to take. It's going to take a while, but I'll try to do it a little bit different. Show you the finished product when we're done sanding, and then we'll go back and we'll look at what we're doing. I know you don't like it when I talk a lot. Y'all just want to see the stuff. So we're going to sand all sides because the bottom needs a coat too, so it doesn't absorb moisture as much and warp. So everything gets sanded, both sides. And it kind of helps if you're in the sunlight. So just like everything else, every time you touch it with your hand, you're putting body grease on it, and you're gonna have to clean it off. Otherwise it could cause imperfections in the finish. So every time you're done sanding, you're gonna wanna go like this, and you're gonna put body grease on it, and it's gonna mess it all up. Try not to do that. Gloves are important. This is gonna rock a little bit, but I think I'll be okay. The other thing you're gonna want is a wet rag. So this is just a bowl with some water in it. We'll soak it up, wring it out, and use it when it's damp. There's across the grain and there's with the grain. So first we're gonna go across the grain, and that's gonna help knock it down flat. And then we'll go with the grain to smooth it. This table's wobbling too much. I gotta move. More. That's better. I'm gonna move y'all out of my way. That's pretty good. So you see how it jumps? That's because it's not even. So what I'm looking for here is uniform scratches, because we were sanding this way. So if you can see the scratches going all the way across, then your plank is flat. And then the water on the rag raises the grain a little bit, and you'll get these little fuzzy things poking up, and then you're going to sand those off. So I like the way it looks this way, so now we're going to sand it with the grain.
Shining like the sun, you know, baby, only one, the only one. Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, I'm chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go, just like those over there. So I'm gonna do all this and then we'll pick it up when it's time to put clear coat down. So here we go.